Good morning, dear children. Welcome to Standard 3rd subject Moral Science. Anybody remember what we studied last class? Yes, lesson 4. Two neighbors. Okay, very good. That much you are remembering. Okay, very good. When we stopped? Anybody can you say? They went jingle and prayed to God. A greedy man and jealous man went jungle and they prayed there. They did penance and prayed in the jungle. For what they prayed? Anybody don't? That greedy man thought, I want 1,000 coins. I want the richest person in the world. Then that way he thought and went. Another, this jealous man, he thought, this should not be happened. That he will not become rich person in the village. Then both of you went and prayed in the jungle, and God appeared them, and God is asking, you tell what is you want. But then one condition also God kept there. Okay. Yes. The one who asks first will get what he asked for, but the other will get double of that. Now any of you can ask. That much we studied last class, and that we stopped there. Okay, next, then what is going to happen? Let us see. For some time both the greedy man and the jealous man were silent. They did not ask for anything. If I ask first, he will get double of what I get. Each one thought, and the Lord said again, if you don't ask soon, I cannot help you. If you are not saying soon, I cannot help you. Say soon. God is saying, it is time for me to go back. God don't have time to. Oh no, Lord, said the greedy man. The greedy man said, I want you to give me. Then he suddenly stopped. Then what he want to ask God? He want to ask for 1,000 coins, but then his neighbor would get 2,000 gold coins. In that case, he will be the richest person. He will be the richest person. That should not be happened. Then he stopped there. That is so the greedy man did not ask. Then he is asking 1,000 coins, double will get the other person. And he did not ask. Then again jealous man thinking what he will ask. Then jealous man was also thinking, if I get 1,000 gold coins, my neighbor will get 2,000 gold coins. The very thought made him unhappy. This thought also he made him unhappy. So he also remained silent. But after some time he got an idea, and he turned to the Lord and said, what he is going to say? Let's see. Oh dear Lord, I shall ask for the boon. I will be happy if you give double of what I get to my neighbor. My humble prayer is that you please take one of my eyes and make one half blind. The jealous man look, what is his idea? His one eyes he want one nice he can see another, that another person will get the double moon. Okay. Then he thought, if my only eyes I can see, then he will become blind. That way he thought and said. The Lord granted the jealous man's the boon he had asked for. The jealous man's granted, God already gave him. The greedy man not double of that. The jealous man lost one of his eyes, and the greedy man lost both his eyes. Actually, the Lord was punishing both of them. The God was punished both of them. He did not like their greed and jealousy. God did not like their greed and jealousy. See, children, this is what happens to greedy and jealous people. They can never be happy. The jealous and greedy people, they cannot happy in their peace. They don't have any peace and joy in their life. In order to be happy, we must be satisfied with what we have. Whatever things we have to satisfied with that. But we often, when we know closely things, when our friends bring a new pen or wear a new clothes or buy a bicycle, we also want similar things. When our friends also see any hosty things they are bringing in the school, then bicycle or bike, anything that way we see, we also thought we also want that way. Then maybe your parents are not that much rich, but they cannot provide that way. Then all dear children, what we have to satisfy with what we have. Things we trouble our parents with unreasonable demands. God does not like greedy children. God does not like the greedy children. To remove greed from our character, we must share things with others, and we must satisfied with the things we already have. We have to share with our things with other friends or brothers or sisters or our friends. We have to share with our friends what things we have. Then we have to satisfied with what things we have. Like greed, jealousy, and also bad. Greed and jealousy is also bad. That way we are praying also, God will not hear our prayer. Jealousy is being unhappy about others' success. Jealousy is being unhappy about others' success. If anybody is get good mark more than me, we get jealous. Then that way also we have to how much we maximum we have to try. Then what is giving, it is that is enough. No need to competing with the others. What we have, God is given to Allah, each one of us talents and health, thought, thinking, everything intelligent, and everything is different only. Then that what God give us, we have to happy with that. Maximum we have to try it. That anything, then it will maximum we tried, we are satisfied. When we know how much, if we not lazy, but we have to maximum we have to try it for everything, for our hard work, and God will give that. God will give us the blessings. Okay. Then that way we have to think and pray. We must become generous. We should congratulate all the students on their success, whether they are our friends or not. When we feel jealous and about others, we often say bad things about them. Nobody likes such a behavior. Nobody likes such a behavior. That is a jealous and greedy and all. Nobody don't like. Then we have to what all things we have to satisfied with that. Always remember, God does not like greed and jealousy. Always we have to remember, God does not like greed and jealous. Let us remember, God does not like greed and jealousy. We must be satisfied with what we have. We must be satisfied with what we have. Let us remember all that. Don't forget this story. I hope all of you understood this lesson, and you have to read this and revise it, and you have to keep it in your mind. We have to satisfied with what we have. Then God will hear our prayer. Without greed and jealousy, we are praying to God. In our mind is pure, God will surely hear our prayers. That we have to remember in our mind. And homework, you have to study, read the lesson and revise it and keep it in your mind. We must be satisfied with what we have. Okay, thank you, children.